You finally cleaned up. The toys are off the floor, the dishes are done, the counters are wiped, but somehow you still feel tired. You still feel heavy. You still feel like nothing got better. That's because the clutter wasn't just in your space, it was also in your mind. The problem: clutter drains energy, seen and unseen. Most people think clutter is just stuff, but clutter is anything that overwhelms your environment or your thoughts. There are two kinds: mental clutter, running thoughts, guilt, unmade decisions, open loops. Physical clutter, piles, mess, undone tasks, visual chaos, both send the same signal to your brain: there's too much. I don't know where to start. I must be failing. And both exhaust you, even if you're sitting still. The shift: cleaning isn't just about stuff, it's about space. Instead of chasing a spotless house, start asking, what's taking up the most space in my life? What feels loud even when it's silent? What's draining my energy even when I'm resting? From there, we can build a plan, not to do more, but to clear space to think, breathe, and feel peace. A three-step reset for inner and outer clarity. 1. Start with the loudest voice, not the longest list. When you're overwhelmed, your brain doesn't need a checklist. It needs a moment of silence and clarity. Ask, what's bothering me the most right now, mentally or visually? What keeps looping in my mind? What pile or mess do I keep walking past with dread? Start there. Clear one thing, not everything. You don't need a reset, you need relief. 2. Externalize the mental clutter. The clutter in your mind? It's louder when it stays in your mind. Take 3 minutes and dump it out. Write a messy list. Use voice notes. Journal a short paragraph. Say it out loud. God, I'm carrying this, this, and this, and it's too much. Externalizing doesn't mean solving, it means releasing. 3. Clear one zone, not the whole house. Pick one small zone: a nightstand, a corner of the counter, the laundry chair, your car cup holders. When you clear one zone, your brain gets a win, not another weight. Pair this with one mental habit: delete one unnecessary task. Cancel one optional commitment. Choose one affirmation. Peace begins with less. Faith reminder: God does not dwell in chaos, He brings peace to it. Invite Him in. God, help me release the mental noise. Help me step away from what doesn't matter. Let my mind and my home reflect your calm. You are not responsible for fixing everything. You are responsible for choosing what you carry today. Educator insight in education. We help students declutter desks and emotions, take brain breaks and organize binders, process feelings and clean up tools. Because learning can't happen in clutter. The same applies at home. A peaceful home isn't just clean, it's emotionally quiet. Your takeaway: mental clutter is just as exhausting as physical clutter. Start with what's loud, not what's long. Clear one zone in your mind or your home, externalize the noise so you can think again. Invite faith to fill the empty space with peace. You don't need more willpower, you need more room to breathe, and you are allowed to make that space. You've got this.